Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Charan. Let's continue the Python tutorial series. Now in this video tutorial I will explain how to swap the variables, two variables from A to B and B to A. I will show you two methods using the temp variable and without using the temp variable. So let's start the tutorial. The code is Python swap variables.py, enter, and notice here we got the output. The original value of A is 10 and B is 20. After swapping the values, A is 20 and B is 10. See here, A is 10 here. Now after swapping, A is 20, B is 10. Here B, original value of B is 20. After swap, B is 10. The same thing, the second method I have showed without using the temp variable. Here x value is 100, original value. After swap, x is 200 and y, if you notice, y of the original value is 200. After swap, y is 100.
If you are a first time visitor to my channel, please subscribe to get the latest updates.
For this video tutorial, I am using Visual Studio Code. First, let's open our folder which I have created on my desktop. The folder name is a Python-tutorials. Let's select the folder. And here the Python-tutorials is added to our VS Explorer. Now the next step, I will add one new file, swap variables.py. And now first one, swap, the heading is swap variables using temp variable. A is equals to 10 and B is equals to 20. Now first I want to print the original values. The original value of A is A. Copy this one. And the original value of B is B. Now print. I am adding one line. Now here the logic is temp. I am declaring one temp variable 0. Temp is equals to A. Now A is equals to B. Now B is equals to temp. After that, print. After swap the values, A is A. B is B. Print. This is the first method I have shown using the temp variable to swap the variables. Now let's x is equals to 100 and y is equals to 200. Now I want to swap the variables without using the temp variable. So first let's copy this one, and instead of writing the same thing, let's the original value of x is x. It will print the original values. The original value of y is y. Then x comma y is equals to y comma x. That's it. This is a simple code. Now I want to print this statement. Instead of A, I am adding x is x and y is y. That's it. We have done the coding part. I have showed two methods to swap the variables using temp variable and without using the temp variable. Here I am using, let's add the print. Second method without using temp variable. Now save this file. We'll check the final output of our application. Go to view, click terminal, and here we got our terminal. The code is Python swap variables .py, enter. And notice here we got the output, the original value of A is 10 and B is 20. After swapping the values, A is 20 and B is 10. See here, A is 10 here. Now after swapping, A is 20. B is 10. Here B, original value of B is 20. After swap, B is 10. The same thing, the second method I have showed without using the temp variable. Here X value is 100, original value. After swap, X is 200. And Y, if you notice, Y of the original value is 200. After swap, Y is 100. That's it. In this video tutorial, I have explained how to swap variables using the temp variable and without using the temp variable in Python. Thanks for watching this video tutorial. Please subscribe, share and leave your valuable comment. We'll catch you in my next video tutorial.